This is going to be a video tutorial on how to remove tab groups from the Bookmarks bar on the Google Chrome web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Chrome here. I have the Google Chrome web browser opened up now. If you look off to the upper left-hand corner, you can see that I have tab groups enabled. They're showing right up here on my Bookmarks bar. To remove them, I'm going to show you two different very easy ways to do that. One way is to go to an empty area on your Bookmarks bar. I'm going to right-click. Then you'll go down, and you can see I show tab groups. You can see that is checked. There's a check. That means it's showing. If I click on that, now if you look, my tab groups are gone. I have disabled the tab groups from my Bookmarks bar. Another way to do it, I'm going to re-enable this real quick. Another way to do it is to go to Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right-hand corner up to the three-dot menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now, on the Settings page, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to go to where it says Appearance. Click on Appearance. Then on the center pane, right down here, it says Show Tab Groups in Bookmarks Bar. As you can see, I have it currently enabled. It is on. I'm going to toggle that off. And now my tab groups have disappeared. That is how to remove the tab groups from your Bookmarks bar on the Chrome web browser. Thanks for watching.